Hey guys, I have a really simple DIY for you that I think you're gonna love. It is a lavender and frankincense face oil. And I tend to gravitate towards oils when it gets colder out, so fall and winter. So this is perfect, and it's really simple to make. You probably already have these things at home. So I'm going to start with a serum bottle, and this is a 2 ounce, I believe. So I'm gonna end up making an ounce. So I'm actually gonna only fill it about halfway total. So, and I can see through this amber bottle, so it's gonna be really easy. And you kind of want the one that has a dropper, just because it's easier to apply. So, rosehip oil. And I kind of like to pour it because if I use the dropper, I don't know, I feel like it takes forever. But I also don't want to make a mess. Oil, 100% pure. And this is from Melivera, I don't know. It's organic, but you want to make sure it's 100% pure too. So I'm gonna fill this about a quarter of the way. I really don't know if you guys can see that. About a quarter of the way. And next we're gonna add jojoba oil, and this one's Viva Naturals. I actually have 2 different ones. I have Viva Naturals and I have Sky Organics. I like both of them. My Viva Naturals has been open for a while, so I'm gonna, and it's almost gone. So I'm gonna use the Sky Organics one. And I'm gonna fill this one till it's about halfway. There we go, about halfway. So that's about an ounce. So I did a half ounce of rosehip and I did a half ounce of jojoba oil. And you can adjust these as well. Like you could make a full bottle if you wanted to. Next, we're gonna add vitamin E oil. And I'm very particular about my vitamin E oil. I don't like certain textures. So this one's very, very thick. I'll show you guys. This one's very thick. It's like honey. Can you see that? Can you see that? I don't know. It's very thick consistency. I'm sure it's hard to tell, but it's perfect just for super dry skin if you have that issue in the winter, or with all of this hand washing that we're doing. But this one, I don't know how to say that, Valentia, this brand in particular has been awesome. So I only do a few drops, like 5 drops, kind of like measure drops like that. Let me see. And I love the pump on this as well, it's awesome. And I just kind of swirl it together. I really don't know how much you guys can see. I'm losing daylight, but yeah. So vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it's gonna help preserve it and help prevent it from oxidizing, as well as soften the skin, and that's really my focus on that. And next I have some oils for you guys. So we are gonna add frankincense first. So all of these ingredients and all of these essential oils are amazing for the skin. There's so much research on that. So I'm gonna do 10 drops of frankincense. I love frankincense just by itself, it's awesome. Lavender. I had to open a new bottle. bottle today. Love lavender too. So I'm gonna do 8 drops of lavender. And Helichrysum. Helichrysum has helped a lot with scars for me. So I'm gonna do 2 drops of Helichrysum. And also, if you didn't know, the Frankincense EO blend has Helichrysum in it too. So just thought that's a good little tip to know. And that's it. So you have all of the oils in your little bottle, shake it around. You don't really need to shake too much, but I do shake it when I first make it pretty intensely. But yeah, you can see. And then after cleansing, so it depends on your skincare routine. You always want to apply thinnest to thickest when applying moisturizers and things to your face. Kind of like a essence would go first, and then a serum, and then just go thinnest to thickest. So if you're doing like a really thick moisturizer, you're gonna wanna do that last. But yeah, and it's not gonna be too light. I'm not gonna put this on my face right now because my face is not washed, but that's the consistency of it. It's pretty, it's a lightweight oil. So it's so moisturizing, you guys. You really cannot tell. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you do try it, let me know how you like it. And I also have a video for a cream, if that's more your style. So I will link that either in the cards or as well as down below. I hope you guys enjoy. See you soon. Bye.